Yeah. So this video is about icpsig. So icpsig is a multi-sig wallet of IC protocol, and you can also do transaction on your Bitcoin network and Ethereum network. You can also send ERC tokens through icpsig. Uh, Let me just whenever you simply come to our website, so you will see this dashboard. If you are logged in, if you are not logged in, so you can log in by your internet identity. So let me just log in using my internet identity. So after logged in, you will see this dashboard. In that dashboard, you will see your all the multi-sig address, your overview card, your address book, your pending transaction, and your completed transaction. Yeah. So let me quickly show you how you can get your ETH address, how you can get your BTC address, and how you can transfer uh, uh, to your Bitcoin network or Ethereum network using your ICP multisig. So to send transaction on your BTC network is quite simple. You can simply click on this new transaction, and after that a model will pop up. After that, you can select CKBTC. So on that CKBTC, there is a send mode. You can send through your IC network. On that IC network, you need a principal ID of any account. And if you want, you can add account ID hash if you want to send a specific sub account of that principal. And there's another mode called Bitcoin network. If you click on this Bitcoin network, you can simply just need to paste that Bitcoin network over here and click on this make transaction, and it will run and send the CKBTC through your Bitcoin to your Bitcoin network. So this is the way you can simply send BTC uh, from your multisig. And sending Ethereum or ERC20 tokens, it's a bit different. If you want to send like ERC20 tokens or Ethereum token, you can just click on this fund multisig button. After that, you will find three tabs. There is a ICP, so it's your multisig address. There's something called BTC. If you click on this BTC, so you will get your BTC network. So if you want to convert your BTC to your CKBTC, you can simply copy this Bitcoin network and send BTC from this network. After that, you can click on this update CKBTC balance. So it will simply check if you have any kind of BTC on your this Bitcoin wallet, and simply convert this Bitcoin BTC Bitcoins to your CKBTC. Second thing about, there is an option called ETH. If you click on this ETH, it will load Ethereum address, and for each multisig there will be a different Ethereum address and there will be a different BTC address. For example, this Ethereum have this Ethereum address. If I check my other multisig, so this Ethereum address is actually different. So each multisig is related a different Ethereum or BTC address. So when you click on this ETH, you will get this Ethereum address. After that, you can simply click on this show asset button. If you click on this show asset button, you will get all the asset that you have right now. So this is currently on Sepola testnet. Right now, for the demo purposes, I'm using Sepola testnet. And when you will simply check, so it will be Ethereum mainnet. So it will show you right now it's Ethereum mainnet, but actually it's a Sepola testnet right now for me. I changed some code, and there is a send button over here. You can send your Ethereum also, Sepolite, or and also sorry, and also you can send this USDT. So for the test purposes, I'm sending an ERC token. So this is like a ERC20 token, USDT, and right now I'm sending this to my this account. So right now I have 911, 909, 9,911 USDT, and let me just send 9 USDT more from my multisig related Ethereum address. I just need to click on this make transaction button. It will initialize our transaction. What it will do, it will simply convert a transaction and convert a transaction to a hash, sign that transaction using threshold ECDSA, and after that, when I sign the transaction, it will simply send this transaction using Infura provider. It will take couple of seconds, and yeah, it's done right now. So when this transaction is done, so you will get this transaction hash. If you copy this transaction hash and search on Sepolita scan, so you will see that this is currently pending. So the thing is, it's already sent to a block. Right now, it's in currently it's in pending state, and after that, like after a couple more seconds, you will see on my MetaMask that yeah, I have 9,920 tokens now. So this is the way you can simply send uh, Ethereum or ERC20 tokens from your multisig to Ethereum network. And we also have some other features. We also have something called two-factor authentication. If you want to add two-factor authentication, it's quite simple. You just need to go to the settings. After that, you can simply click on this admin button. After that, there is an option called enable two-factor authentication. You just need to click on that. After that, it will create a barcode. You need to go to your uh, two-factor app. Let me just open my two-factor app. Yes. After that, there is an add button on your mobile device on app, or you can just simply scan this QR code. When you scan that QR code, you will find a code. You need to paste that code over here and enable your two-factor authentication. Now, two-factor authentication is enabled, and if I simply signed out and click on this sign in button, it will ask me to log in first. Now you will see that I'm signing in right now, but I have to add this two-factor authentication code right now. And if I add two-factor authentication code, so you will see I logged in right now. From the same way, you can directly disable your two-factor authentication over here. And let me show you how you can simply create a new multi-sig transaction for your ICP. So if you click on this new transaction button, over there right now you can see that I have couple of like ICP. Yes, let me use this multi-sig. So the other multi-sig signatory I don't have, so I just created this new multi-sig, and let me just send some ICP to this multi-sig. I'm sending 0.01, sending 0.01 ICP to this multi-sig. Continue. I'm gonna send. Yeah. Now, if I reload, click on here. Yeah. So you can see that I have that much ICP. Just click on this new transaction. I'm gonna send. Uh, I'm gonna send. If it's an ICP, so you can send directly add a principal, or also you can add normal account sub address hash sub account hash. I'm sending 0.001 ICP to this my account. Just click on this make transaction button. It's gonna create a new transaction, and if you go to this transaction, so you can see that I have now a new transaction 0.001 from this address to like from send this address and this transaction hash over here. And you can see that show all confirmation button and other stuff. So let me just sign in to other address. Let me open my Chrome. This is my Chrome, and if I do go again and sign in, so yeah, so let me just see. Multisig name is new multisig. I hope I don't. Yeah, I have only one new multisig. So if I click on that, you can see right now that I have this new transaction and there is an approve button. So if I approve that right now, it will take a couple of time if it's a last transaction because uh, here right now it's actually transferring. If it's a last transaction, so it's gonna like it's gonna send the amount to that multisig. Sorry, to that recipient. So after completing your transaction, you can click on this history button and check like this is the transaction is already sent. 0.1 button, 0.01 ICP, and there is an empty queue right now. And if I want to check that, so I can simply go to this uh, and here on my activity, you can find that I received some uh, ICP. And if you check on that and if you check this address, so this is the same address. This is actually the multisig address that we have. So yeah, this is a small demo about ICP, about icpsig, how you can simply send a transaction, how you can do uh, transaction on your Bitcoin network, on your Ethereum network, and how you can simply send your ERC-20 tokens. We also discuss how you can enable your like two-factor authentication, and how you can, if you want to disable, you just need to click on this disable button. Yeah, so that's all from myself. Thank you so much.